What up guys, Miguel here from Gigatech. So Huawei sent us some of their latest smart timepieces to check out. This revolutionary lineup blends elegant design with cutting-edge technology. And in this video, we're mainly featuring the HUAWEI WATCH GT5 Pro 46mm. Boom! What a stunner, right? But we also have the non-Pro HUAWEI WATCH GT5 over here in 46mm, as well as the refreshed Huawei Ultimate, now in green with updated watch faces and features. So without further ado, let's dive in. From the first ever HUAWEI WATCH GT to this latest HUAWEI WATCH GT5 series, without a doubt, Huawei has always been addicted to making this lineup of smartwatches look as stylish and sophisticated as novel non-smart timepieces. And it's no different with this new GT5 series. Across the GT5 Pro and non-Pro models, we get 9 renditions to choose from in either 46, 42, or 41mm case sizes. Of the 4 sub-collections, only the Huawei WATCH GT5 Pro 42mm does not get a black fluoroelastomer strap option. So the other sizes, 42mm for the GT5 Pro and 41mm for the GT5, are meant for smaller wrist sizes. We don't have them on hand, but they feature a more flamboyant aesthetic compared to the more sporty 46mm variants. The Pro 42mm features a ceramic case with gold titanium alloy accenting. But speaking of titanium alloy, get a load of that from the Huawei WATCH GT5 Pro. Its case, strap, and links are made with aerospace-grade TC4 titanium, the first in its class to do so. TC4 titanium is high-performance titanium alloy known for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio and corrosion resistance. On top of that, the titanium variant of the GT5 Pro also gets a ceramic coating for added protection against liquids, which means this material isn't really going to be adding any more weight than before. And we don't really need to worry about it rusting or scuffing from the elements in daily wear. So whether you're breaking a sweat in the gym, diving into the ocean, or climbing a tree in some mangrove, the Huawei WATCH GT5 Pro can handle it. Its crystal is made with sapphire glass, and behind that glass, it features a nice 1.43-inch AMOLED display, the same one found in the 46mm non-Pro model. The 42 and 41mm Pro and non-Pro models feature a 1.32-inch AMOLED display. So just like last year's Watch GT4, the GT5 series retains the eye-catching octagonal bezel, and our GT5 Pro titanium unit even gets an inner Pepsi GMT bezel, which I think is pretty cool. The GT5 Pro is the industry's first smartwatch with IP69K certification, which means no dust or dust-sized particles can get into it. And it can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets from any direction. The GT5 non-Pro model comes with IP69 certification, making them just as dust-resistant, but not as resistant to high-pressure water. The GT5 series also features Easy Fit 3.0, a quick and convenient way to replace the watch's straps. It's so easy, even with the titanium band. All we need essentially are long fingernails. Originally, the GT5 Pro was 2 links longer on each side, so I took them out for a more snug fit. And if you're somebody with an above average wrist size, it also comes with additional links in the box. Moving on to fitness tracking, the Huawei WATCH GT5 series is designed to enhance our workouts and sports. Something cool for runners is the advanced on-wrist running form analysis that leverages some AI technology. This feature helps both beginners and experienced runners improve their form, stay on pace, and prevent injuries. When I tried this feature out, it felt like I was the Flash chasing after my double or a ghost I main. And no kidding, it certainly is a workout to keep up with your best self. The Huawei WATCH GT5 series also features new and improved sunflower positioning system, which utilizes beam forwarding technology, which now ensures a 40% improvement in route accuracy, 30% in distance accuracy, and 20% in pace accuracy. We can download offline maps for instances where we don't have a data connection or Wi-Fi available, and we even get a route drawing feature for those who want to draw faces, amongst other things, on the map with their runs. So in a nutshell, with the updated sunflower positioning system, we get offline map support, including contour lines, panoramic views, and real-time voice reminders, which can be useful for trail running and trekking. Oh, and the offline maps with contour lines feature is only available on the GT5 Pro and Ultimate models. For cycling, users can track detailed metrics such as max speed, heart rate, and calories burned. They can even connect to a power meter for additional insights and use the watch as a speedometer. We, on the other hand, kept the cycling indoors, which isn't a problem for the watch either, since we do get indoor cycling baked into the more than 100 workout modes available in the watch. One thing Huawei's really pushing with the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro and Ultimate models is golf. Both the Huawei Watch 5 Pro and Ultimate models get support for over 100 golf courses across the Philippines and 15,000 Tier 1 global courses. Features include a 3D view of the course, green thermal map, and accurate distance measurements. We can even get wind directions for planning out our swings. Of course, we also have a setting for the driving range if ever users just want to work on their back and downswing time, tempo, and speed. The Huawei Watch Ultimate we have here is now featured in green to evoke the essence of nature's vibrancy. Whatever that means. Basically, Huawei's flagship watch only came in black and blue options before. And if none of those piqued your interests, maybe this green one will. We get 3 strap styles included in the box, a titanium alloy strap like we have here, a rubber one over here, and this nice antibacterial, very breathable woven one that I'm wearing right now. This thing is made with executives and VIPs in mind who make business decisions on a golf course. Just like previous generations, the actual watch case is made with zirconium liquid metal. A lot of work went into designing the two-tone GMT nanotech ceramic bezel, a lot of arc and flap grinding, CNCing, coating, and polishing. Pretty premium stuff. It also features new golf-inspired watch faces that feature a lot of golf motifs. And there's even a green legend face that features a golf course for added quirkiness. Moving on, for divers, the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro supports up to 40 meters or about 131 feet of free diving, meeting the highest PADI, SSI, and ADA certification standards. And on the other wrist, the Huawei Watch Ultimate offers up to a depth of 100 meters or about 328 feet. Huawei's most updated TrueSense technology powers the health features of the GT5 series, leveraging over 10 years of data accumulation from Huawei Health. Here's a rundown. We get ECG and heart rate monitoring for tracking and monitoring heart health with great precision. We can even measure blood oxygen levels. The Huawei GT5 base model retains last year's pulse wave arrhythmia analysis for monitoring unusual heart rhythms, while the GT5 Pro model gets this, but with the addition of arterial stiffness detection, which measures how much our blood vessels deform due to stress. Honestly, if you're under 40, you most likely won't need this too much, unless of course, you turned into an alcoholic at a really young age. There's also sleep monitoring for a detailed analysis of our sleep stages and quality. It can track how long we've been in deep sleep and REM sleep, which I find very cool. And it's so good, it can even record the sounds we make while we're sleeping, and even track our naps. When it comes to sleep apnea, the Huawei Watch GT5 series can provide results after just 1 night of sleep, wherein something like the recently released Apple Watch S10 needs 30 days of data gathering to give users their results. And like last year, we still get calorie tracking and period management. Calorie tracking for you nutrition nuts, main gaining, or at a deficit. And I'm not a woman, but ladies can use these watches to track and predict the coming of their crimson waves. And of course, it should act as a great reminder for them as well. What's new here for health tracking is this feature called emotional well-being. There's even a watch face dedicated to this tracker that features an adorable panda. Emotional well-being is pretty much a mood tracker, allowing users to track and share our moods, ranging from pleasant, neutral, or unpleasant. And I can vouch that this thing, it really works. A feature like this can't be found in an Apple Watch. Moving on to battery. Huawei smartwatches provide some of the best battery life in the market. Rated for up to 14 days with the 46mm variants and up to 7 days for 42 and 41mm options, all off a single full charge. And I can totally attest to this since during my testing, I've only charged the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro a total of 2 times ever since it got sent over a month ago. And this is really a big deal for someone like me, since one of the biggest reasons I'm not a smartwatch fan is simply because I believe modern watches shouldn't have to be charged. But with any Huawei watch, this state of mind is always mitigated due to the up to 2 weeks of battery life. For charging, all watches mentioned in this video get wireless charging in the box. And quickly topping up from low to full takes about an hour. For connectivity, all the watches mentioned in this video get Bluetooth 5.2, GNSS, and NFC. And remember the Gcash QR code payment feature we mentioned in last year's Huawei Watch GT4 video? The feature is finally coming in the 4th quarter of 2024, starting with the Huawei Watch GT5 series and Watch Ultimate, with plans to update the Watch GT4 series with this feature at a later date. Once again, making it an industry first for smartwatches in the Philippines. Users get enhanced notifications and call forwarding capabilities, including answering calls via WhatsApp and receiving messages from various platforms, including Messenger, Telegram, and even emails. We can quickly reply to messages all through the watch. With saved quick responses, we can set up in the Huawei Health app or emojis. And users also get a pop-up keyboard if they ever wanted to write a response directly from their wrist. And it supports Tagalog. We do think that Huawei should include or update the keyboard with like a glide or swipe typing feature to make using the keyboard on the watch a lot easier, in our opinion. But aside from Huawei phones, the whole Huawei Watch GT5 family and Watch Ultimate is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. And lastly, the Huawei Watch GT series now features the ability to take screenshots directly on the watch. So to wrap this video up, the Huawei Watch GT5 series are the only high-fashion smartwatches that masterfully blend luxury craftsmanship with elite sports, health, and wellness innovations we could all use. And we get to experience these features for free without a subscription paywall. For us, their designs alone is worth every centavo. If pricing is anything like their predecessors, the Huawei Watch GT5 series should still be pretty attainable for most. Whatever the case, pre-orders start on September 26, and in our opinion, the Huawei Watch GT5 series offers unparalleled value, especially when you factor in the fruity competition. For those interested in checking out these watches in person, go ahead and visit select Huawei Experience stores nationwide to experience the Huawei GT5 series and the Watch Ultimate yourselves. Now, for those of you who want to check them out online, we have links in the description box with early bird vouchers that y'all can use for Huawei's official Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok shops, and the Huawei online store. So, what did you guys think of the Huawei Watch GT5 series? Are any of you guys thinking of picking them up? because they do look very nice. I'm not gonna lie. Let us know in the comment section below. But if you found this video informative, educational, or if it's helped you make a purchasing decision, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the Huawei Watch GT 5 series featuring the Huawei Watch Ultimate in a refreshed green colorway. And I'm Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.